And for example, 3D things, for example, right? And the unique part of the render, they have a tool for the very pencil and I will explain a little bit about the grease pencil here. Grease pencil is a model of the object, 3D, and you can draw line in 3D space. And yeah, you see there's a canvas in the origin, and since you're drawing into the monitor, the canvas is always facing up, right? But if you rotate the camera, the canvas is still facing the camera. So, but now you see the 3D position, right? So there's a few ways to draw curves in 3D space, and yeah, so this is one of the ways. But you can change the position of the canvas, and from origin to change it to 3D curve. Command shift and right mouse button, you can draw with a canvas, but the canvas is just move, right? So if you draw from top view, it's the top down direction. So this is the other way you move the canvas around to draw in 3D space. Because this is not the you always want to do plus one time, so you have to place you have to define the solutions by hand. That's another function. But there's other functions for the surface. If you this one, if you bring in the three famous and you have a surface, yes, right? And then you bring another reason, but if you change the surface, you can draw onto the surface. Something good, right? Yeah. You're drawing the surface, but if the surface is not there, the business makes the camera. So it's beautiful. Good. And also you can change the distance. You can have a little bit distance. You can draw like this. You look like it is drawing onto the surface, but it's shaped. There's yeah, you can define the distance. But, so this is like another way to draw a curve in 3D space, but this time on the surface. Right? And there's another option. Yeah, you can draw from the basis of the and you change it from surface to slope. You draw distance from this curve and stroke. So this is really good. You can draw between trees, right? So you can change it, and then you can draw from that draw. You can create some branches, and you draw like this, and then you can also stop and freeze. This is a very, I think it's very interesting. And it's called you can take it out in 3D space. You can take, you can push around. You can really express when it's 2D, you can only on the dimension. But in this way,